What's up, guys? Real Knotty back at it again, guys. So I'm out and about today, stumbled on over to Lake Artemisia. I'm gonna cast the line for a little bit this morning, and I can't wait to see what I'm gonna get. The last time I was here, DNR pulled up on me, and I had to leave. Didn't have my license that day, so I got my license this year, and I really want to try this spot out to see what I can catch. So today we're going to start off with the chatterbait. Got some cloudy conditions. I really want to do some weightless fluking today, so that's probably what I'm gonna do if the chatterbait doesn't work out for me. So stay tuned, guys. At the end of the video, I will be announcing my winner. What winner, you ask? The winner of the 100 subscribers. I'm gonna pick that one fella at the end of this video. Stay tuned. Well, guys, did horribly over at Artemisia, as you saw. So now I had to come where I can catch some fish. Because I still got to announce the winner. Yeah, definitely got to announce the winner. So I'm about to go play in the rain. This is about to be fun. All for the love of fishing, baby. Yo. I love that you guys can't read my reactions here. You know, read my face or my cues to when I'm gonna be wild at any moment, you know. But yeah, I'm just procrastinating because I really don't want to play in the rain, but I really want to catch some fish, and I know it's good fishing in the rain. So, let's get to it. Yeah, got a good bite. He tried to take off. Thanks for getting the skunk off me for 2 places. He's been caught before. The sheet. Get it back in there. Ooh, it stopped raining. Guess what? Seems like it might be top water time. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this leader line off. They want to eat now that the rain stopped. Not bad. Sorry for the hole, guys. In control of the treble hooks. Nice. Yep. Pops called. Didn't get this one off camera. Nice one. Nice one. Last cast for the road. In the rain, baby.